Alright, so it's been a while since I've got that heat pump defrosting, the 2022 3.5 ton unit. So I just thought I would get another one. Because it's mid-February now. So just it's gonna be much more defrost cycles of this winter. So yeah, I just thought I'd get a video of it. So yeah. Let me zoom back out. So yeah. Oh, and it's off. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And over and out.